There's a new breed of insurance that pet owners need to know about. It's called dog liability insurance. 600 Floridians are hospitalized every year due to dog bites, and both animal owners and the victims need to know their rights. And here to help us understand more is attorney Jamie Rosenberg from Jodat Law Group. Oh, Jamie, did I need you? I came home from work one day in Atlanta. There was a guy on a bicycle there, and he said, "Your dog bit me." And I said, "The law says my dog has one free bite." And he said, "Lady, I'm the district attorney. I know what the law says."
Where did you hear that?
I've never heard that.
No?
That must be the law in Atlanta.
The district attorney had never heard of it either. So
That's interesting.
That's hilarious.
That's a new one.
I didn't think you'd know the difference.
You should have said he did bite you. You imagined it.
I would have thought of that next.
Did your dog really bite him?
He did. He did.
Was he bleeding?
He was bleeding. So
Well,
what
was he trying to break into your house? Or,
I was done. This guy knew all the laws. But what does the law say?
This is
What
a
are our
very interesting
liabilities?
situation.
I can't speak for Atlanta or Georgia.
Oh, that's okay. I only have dogs in Florida now.
Okay, good.
Tell us what Florida law says.
You got to make sure if your dog injures somebody, I mean, and hopefully that doesn't happen, but you have to make sure that you're covered through your homeowner's insurance policy. And if you're not sure, contact your carrier and see if you do.
Well, what if a dog bites you?
If a dog bites me, it's the same. I can go after the homeowner. Typically, if that person carries, or if their homeowner's coverage has dog bite coverage, or if their policy has the coverage, then I can go after the homeowner's insurance carrier. I'm still going after the person who owns the dog, but their insurance company protects them from any sort of damages.
But so you're going after them to pay your medical bills, or I mean,
Everything.
what's
Your medical bills,
Okay.
your pain and suffering,
Okay.
any
Wow.
out-of-pocket losses you might have, which would include lost wages, prescriptions, everything.
Oh,
Does
wow.
that matter if the dog, let's say, got out and injury didn't occur on the property?
That's actually a really good question. It doesn't matter. The thing, if you have coverage for dog bites in your homeowner's policy, the actual dog bite does not actually have to occur at your home. It can occur anywhere. It could be at a dog park. It could be in a parking lot. So, I mean, that's important to know as well.
Could be at work. Do you have
It could be at work. Hopefully not.
Guide
but-
dog is covered. Thank you for asking.
So what happens to the dog? If the dog has bitten somebody, does it get penalized?
The dog gets quarantined typically by animal control. And if the dog has prior experiences that are known of biting other people, the dog can be put down.
And what if the human deserved it?
Humans
That's a
don't
slippery slope.
deserve
Well,
it.
what if someone's breaking in, or
Yeah.
if
Oh,
someone's
okay.
attacking, a child, or going, there's some situations
Yeah.
where a dog can
That's
sense
a
that.
good question too. There has to be negligence on the dog owner in some way.
Gotcha.
So if somebody's breaking into your house and your dog bites that person, typically you're not going to be held responsible because you weren't negligent.
Okay.
But if you're out taking your dog on a walk and you take the leash off and he
Yeah.
bites somebody, that's
Yeah.
different.
Gotcha.
Obviously.
Oh, no.
Yeah, we've had in Sun Circle Park, we've had one dog that has attacked other dogs and killed one, but the dog's still around. Isn't there a law against that?
Yeah,
Ooh,
you
that's
have to report it
surprising.
to animal control. I
I
mean,
see.
when dogs bite other dogs, that's an issue as well, and that's something that they can be quarantined for.
Now, what if my homeowner's policy does not cover dog bites? What do I do?
There is a secondary market for dog bite liability coverages.
So you can get dog insurance
You
separate.
can get dog insurance separately. It's interesting because most homeowners insurance carriers nowadays will not cover dog bites. They mostly all carry what are called animal bite or animal injury exclusions.
So it's like a rider that adds
really?
on or something.
Yeah, so what you need to do is, you need to contact your carrier and see if they'll allow you to add on the dog bite coverage. And if they won't allow you, then you check the secondary market.
So you mentioned earlier homeowners. What about renters? What about people that don't own a home but they have animals?
Well, there's renter's insurance, obviously, and they'll carry the same coverages typically as a homeowner's insurance.
Okay.
It's going to be more expensive though for the dog bite coverages.
When do I need an attorney?
You need an attorney. Well, if you have the coverage and your dog injures somebody, God forbid, your insurance company will protect you. They'll hire someone to represent you if you're sued.
Okay.
If you do not have the coverage, then obviously everything's a little bit different at that point. You can be sued. You're personally responsible for that person's damages. You go to court. If a court finds you responsible, they enter a judgment. Either you
Wow.
pay it or you don't. Obviously, you can lose everything you have if you don't have the coverage.
And
Oh,
possibly
my
the dog too, right?
And the dog.
And the dog, your house, your car, and your dog. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. I'm so glad to know the real rules now. JodatLawGroup.com for more information. And next we're going to hear the jazzy sounds of the Suncoast.